How to fix Instagram post music is not available. So, if you are encountering issues with Instagram post not having music available, then in this video I will show you some troubleshoot and potentially solution to fix this problem. So, as you can see, I have created a post, and at the top right corner you will see the music icon on this post. When you tap on the next button also, in this section you will see add music icon or the option. So if you don't find this post music option not available on your Instagram, then first thing first what you need to do is make sure that you need to or you check your location, because sometimes certain music features on Instagram may not be available on all the regions due to licensing agreements. So you need to make sure you are in a location where Instagram music is supported. The next thing is you need to ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram app installed on your device. For that, you can go to Play Store and search for Instagram on the search bar. As you can see, I already have updated my app, because updating your app often will fix the bugs and it will improve the app, and it only not do that, it will also fix the issues with music availability. So once done, you need to go and open the application if your music on the Instagram post is available or not. If it is not yet available, you can go and clear the cache and data of the Instagram app. So if you are on the Android, you can simply tap and hold the app and select the I button. So this will take you to the app info page of Instagram, where you need to select storage uses and clear the data and cache. But make sure and note that clearing data will log out from your Instagram account, and before proceeding you need to know the credential of your Instagram application, and then you can easily clear the data and cache of Instagram. Also, if clearing the cache and data doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Instagram app. For that, tap and hold the app and click on this dustbin or trash icon and select the uninstall, and you can easily reinstall from the App Store or Play Store again. So this will basically help fix any underlying issues with the app installation. The last thing you can do is, if you have tried the above steps and are still experiencing issue, then you need to reach out to the Instagram support team for further assistance. So for that, go on the Instagram app and then select the bottom right corner profile icon. Then tap on three line icon at the top right corner and go to the bottom and select help. Here select report a problem and select report problem without checking. Select include and continue, and here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So this will help, or they may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or insights into the problem. And once you have explain what happened or what's not working, here you can tap on the send button. You can write here, hi team, my Instagram post music is not available, help me fix this issue. And you can tap on send button and report a problem. So following all this step, you will be able to fix your Instagram post music not available. So thank you for today. I hope this video worked. If it worked, then hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more updates.